quick question for you. If you have multiple AI agents working together, can you explain who is making decision, how they communicate, and what happens if they disagree? Because if you can't explain that, you are not scaling intelligence, you are scaling the risk. One agent can deliver real quick value. But the moment you introduce multiple agents, you introduce coordination, communication, and control problems. So here are a few mitigation tips for you. The first foundation is explicit orchestration patterns. Multi-agent systems don't self-organize safely at enterprise scale. You need to clearly define orchestration pattern, whether it is centralized, decentralized, or a hierarchical or hybrid one. So the decision flow is intentional, not accidental. Second, standardized agent communication protocol. Define clear intent and schemas so communication is predictable, auditable, and governable. Third, centralized state and context. Without a single source of truth, agents would drift. Centralized state ensures long-running workflows stay consistent, recoverable, and explainable. Fourth, clarify agent roles and interaction contracts. Each agent needs a bounded responsibility. Overlap is how conflicts, duplications, and unintended autonomy would creep in. Fifth, design for deterministic conflict resolutions. Agents would disagree. The question is whether you have designed arbitration and escalation paths before that happens, or you would discover them in production. And finally, implement full observability of agent interactions. If you can't trace decisions, messages, and outcomes end to end, governance becomes impossible and accountability disappears. So, before you scale multi-agent systems, map how agents orchestrate, communicate, share state, and resolve conflict. If you can't clearly explain it to an executive or an auditor or a regulator, you are most likely building an unmanaged AI system that is going to scale the risk. Subscribe to this channel for more such enterprise tech bytes.